Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am Mahesh Azad. Now today we will learn something reading. So first of all, we will focus on what is the importance of reading. A house without books is like a room without window. इसको अगर सिंपल वर्ड में कहें तो काल कोठरी। जेल के अंदर एक जेल खाना होता है, एक काल कोठरी होती है। काल कोठरी वो होती है जिसके अंदर ना दरवाजा होता है और ना ही खिड़की होती है। तो जिस घर के अंदर किताबें ना हों, जिस घर में किताबें ना पढ़ी जाएं, उसका हाल भी ऐसे ही होता है जैसा वो घर नहीं काल कोठरी है। सेकंड, मैरी सेकंड कहते हैं कि रीडिंग इज़ अ डिस्काउंट टिकट टू एवरीवेयर। जहाँ आप नहीं जा सकते उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन आपको कहाँ से मिल सकती है? बुक्स से। So this is a eighth lecture of communication skill ENGL 1119. This lecture will be about reading skills by Tisha. So when we talk about the reading skills, there are different reading techniques and skills that are being used in the daily basis in the libraries by the students, by the teachers, by the readers. So the main content in this lecture will be skimming, scanning, intensive and extensive reading, and speed reading. We'll read these all things inshallah. The first thing, introduction. Academic reading leading to pronounce, recognize words, their meanings, and understanding and interpreting the writer's message. जो कुछ भी हम पढ़ते हैं, जैसे भी पढ़ते हैं, उसको पढ़ने के पीछे सिर्फ दो ही बातें होती हैं कि हमने जो राइटर ने मैसेज दिया है उसको समझना है। अगर हमें राइटर का मैसेज समझ आ रहा है तो हम रीडिंग कर रहे हैं। मोस्ट ऑफ अस थिंक reading as a simple and passive process, but reading is actually a very complex process that requires active participation on the part of reader. हमारे जहन में आमतौर पे ये आता है कि है ना, रीडिंग ये एक पैसिव प्रोसेस है। नहीं नहीं, ये कभी भी रॉन्ग है, कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग है। क्योंकि जो रीडिंग है ये प्रोसेस एक्टिव प्रोसेस है। इसके अंदर हमें फुल जो है ना कॉन्शियस लेवल पे पढ़ना पड़ता है, हमारा माइंड फुल एक्टिव होता है। द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज दैट we have to answer what is reading, what and why do we read, how can we read different texts using different techniques. So what is reading? Reading क्या है, हम क्यों पढ़ते हैं? Different kinds, different techniques of the reading are used according to the objectives of the reading. हम क्यों रीडिंग करते हैं? जो हमारी रीडिंग का मकसद होगा उसी के हिसाब से हमें डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा हमने कौन सी एक्टिविटी है रीडिंग के लिए। So various reading techniques are following: skimming and scanning, intensive and extensive reading. In the types of the reading, first of all, we have to manage it in the two types. One is extensive reading, second is intensive reading. In the extensive reading, there is skimming and scanning. In the intensive reading, there is linguistics and content. Extensive reading, that is also called speed reading. Why do we read? Any person having answer in his mind? Why do we read? हम पढ़ते क्यों हैं? कोई भी बुक उठा लें, कुछ भी हमारे सामने आता है, न्यूज़पेपर है, कोई मैगजीन है, कोई नॉवल है, कोई स्टोरी है, हम क्यों पढ़ते हैं? जस्ट रीड, ओनली रीडिंग के लिए? नॉट एट ऑल। जब भी हम रीड करते हैं वी आर कनेक्टिंग द लैंग्वेज विद द थिंकिंग विद द रीडिंग। दीज थ्री आर द डायमेंशन। सो रीडिंग इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ थिंकिंग। द पर्पज ऑफ रीडिंग इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग। थिंकिंग किसे कहते हैं? सोचो विचार करने को। जब आप सोचो विचार कर रहे होते हैं, सोचो विचार किसे कहते हैं? अंडरस्टैंडिंग को। So first of all, we'll learn about extensive reading is an approach to language learning, including foreign language learning, by the means of a large amount of reading. Extensive reading इसे speed reading भी कहा जाता है। जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा मिकदार में रीडिंग करना चाहते हैं तो आप extensive reading की techniques यूज़ करेंगे। There are three pictures of extensive reading. The first picture in which a person is reading in the park. So it is shows that she is reading only for enjoyment in the park. In the second, there are a lot of child, they are reading, but they are also reading for enjoyment. At the third, a child is reading a book, he is also reading for the enjoyment. So extensive reading definition is that reading quickly large amounts of essay, varied and interesting, and especially self-selected material, not given by the teacher, not given by the authorities. It is only self-selected material. जो आपको अच्छा लगे, आप खुद दिल लगा के अपनी मर्जी से अपने जो है इंटरेस्ट के मुताबिक पढ़ते हैं, वो एक्सटेंसिव रीडिंग में आता है. एक्सटेंसिव रीडिंग इज कंट्रास्टेड विद द इंटेंसिव रीडिंग. ये इंटेंसिव रीडिंग का उलट है. And intensive reading, which is slow, careful reading of a small amount of difficult text. When you are reading slowly, when you are reading carefully, when you are reading a small amount of difficult text, it will be called intensive reading because your full focus is on the reading. It is when one is focused on the language rather than the text. When you are reading any foreign language, a limited text, a difficult text, difficult means you are unable to understand easily it. So it will be difficult text. So you are focusing more, you are giving the more importance to the language rather than the content. Extensive and intensive reading are two approaches to language learning and instruction and may be used concurrently. Intensive reading, however, the more common approach and often the only one used. So these are the different examples. First, National Geographical Teenager Brain. You have to guess it will be learned by the intensive or extensive. So these all things you have to justify by yourself. Which book will be read by intensive technique, which book will be read by the extensive technique. So this is up to you because every person have different interests, different background, different uh, desired things. So he has to read according to his desire. So we are going to the kinds of the extensive reading. These are two kinds, skimming and scanning. Doing a quick survey of the text, get the main idea, identify text structure, confirm or reject the prediction. It is called skimming and scanning. In the both, we are getting on the main idea, identifying the text structure, confirming or rejecting our own prediction. It is skimming and scanning. What is skimming? Skimming is a reading technique. In skimming, we are reading anything rapidly. Eyes over text, read more in less time. We are getting only main idea. We are getting only general overview. We are getting only overall impression. We are taking only how it is organized. So it is called gist. We are taking only main idea. In this, our eyes will be like that. This red line shows our eye going through the text as rapidly. On the other hand, skimming in skimming, आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जांपल कि आप बुक शॉप पे जाते हैं, वहाँ आपके सामने आपको कोई नॉवल लेना है, तो सैकड़ों नॉवल पड़े हुए हैं, तो आपके हर नॉवल को पढ़ के देखेंगे कौन सा नॉवल लेना है, कभी भी नहीं. आप या राइटर का नेम जानते होंगे या टाइटल जानते होंगे, उस हिसाब से आप उनको स्किम करेंगे कि आपने इसमें से कौन सी बुक लेनी है. तो उसमें आप क्या क्या चीज़ें देखते हैं? टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट, टाइटल पेज, इंट्रोडक्शन, इंडेक्स, इलस्ट्रेशन, समरी, चैप्टर हेडिंग, ऑथर बायोग्राफी एंड कॉपीराइट डेट. तो ये चीज़ें देख के हम क्या करते हैं, बुक के बारे में ओवरऑल आइडिया ले लेते हैं. जो ओवरऑल आइडिया किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में लेना है, ये क्या कहलाता है? स्किमिंग. व्हाट डू वी स्किम? मैगजीन्स, न्यूज़पेपर्स. क्या आप में से कोई है जो न्यूज़पेपर अलिफ से ये तक शुरू करता हो, पहले पेज से अंत तक सारे का सारा पढ़ता हो? कभी भी नहीं. न्यूज़पेपर में क्या है, जिसको न्यूज़ जो है वो गेम्स की अच्छी लगती है वो गेम्स वाला पेज देखेगा, जिसको न्यूज़ जो है वो नेशनल अच्छी लगती है नेशनल पेज देखेगा, जिसको जो है एडिटोरियल पेज अच्छे लगते हैं एडिटोरियल पेज देखेगा. तो इस तरह हमें जो है ना स्किम करना पड़ता है उन चीज़ों के बारे में जिनको हम मेन फोकस में रहे होते हैं. So there are some advantages and disadvantages of the skimming. Skimming will save time. We get main idea, we get general overview, get more interested. 1,000 words a minute. The speed is minimum speed is 1,000 words a minute. And disadvantage is it is superficial, not getting a deep knowledge. Tell all details. It is impossible for us to tell all the details. Enough to pass the exam. It is not enough to pass the exam. Go back, read the entire passage, understand. These are the disadvantages of. But there is a question arise in my mind: how a person can read 1,000 words, 1,000 words in a minute. I will give you an example. You are having any book in your hand. Take a book in your hand, and you have to search only one word, that is name of any person Ali from this book. For finding the name of the Ali from this book, or you in a book that is a mathematics book, you want to see the exercise number 3.3. You will start from the beginning? Not at all. You will go to the content list. There will you see page number exercise number 3.3. You will reach the page and directly you will read to that page. From 1,000 pages of a book, you are finding 3.3 exercise only in few seconds. So that is a technique of skimming. On the other hand, second kind of the extensive reading is scanning. What is scanning? What for? In the first picture, there is this is not a common way. This is common way of the reading. But in skimming, we are not using this technique. We are using this technique. Scan means we are searching out something. Which thing we are searching? It will be scanning. So scanning is a reading technique. Quick reading, eyes over text, covers great deal of material. We'll take only specific information, not the entire text. And why we scan? To answer a question. There is a question in our mind. We want to take the answer of that question. We will scan. What do we scan? Telephone directory. If you want to find the helpline number of the hospital, you will not start from the first page to read it. Read it not at all. You will go directly to the hospital list. After that, you will find the contact number of the hospital. So on in the other things. So there are some advantages and disadvantages of the scanning. Scanning will save time, specific information will get efficiently, gather information, encourage our reading, and purposeful way of reading, avoid distraction because the from the encyclopedia we want to learn read about the Oxford University. We'll directly go to the Oxford University's page without searching out the other page. So that is a way to avoid from the distractions. And 1,500 words a minute, 1,500 minimum. You can read more than 1,500 words in a minute. Disadvantage is superficial, only taking getting the surface novel knowledge, not in depth knowledge. Tell all details, not at all. It will not tell all details. You will not pass the exam. Go back, read the entire passage. Not good for long period study. If you want to remember for anything for the long time, you will not scan. You will read entire text. Lose concentration as well. And conclusion reading is an important technique. Skimming and scanning used when reading all kinds of documents. We read for getting information, pleasure and getting information, and only for pleasure and study. The question is that which technique we have to use for the reading. The answer is that reading technique depends on the purpose. Why you are reading? You want to pass the exam. You want to enjoy the time. You want to take the knowledge. So according to your purpose, you will take the technique. Skimming and scanning are for speed reading. The way we skim is similar to the way we scan. The most important difference is what do we read for. So there is a quotation of Edmund Burke: reading without reflecting is like eating without digesting. If you are eating something and vomiting after eating, it is like you are reading and not having the reflection of reading in your daily life. So that was extensive reading. Now we are going to the intensive reading. Intensive means involving a lot of activity, effort, or careful attention in a short period of time. We'll read a text with full care, with full attention. Intensive reading calls attention to grammatical forms, discourse markers, and other surface structure details for the purpose of understanding literal meaning, implications, rhetorical relationship, and the like. He draws an analogy to intensive reading as a zoom lens strategy. It is also called zoom lens strategy. कि हर चीज़ को इन डेप्थ में देखना है, किसी भी चीज़ को सरफेस लेवल से नहीं गुजारना. These are the two differences between intensive and extensive reading. In intensive reading, you have to focus on development of reading strategies and skills. But in extensive reading, focus on reading for pleasure or information. If you want to develop your skill of any language, you have to start intensive reading, not extensive reading. Because in intensive reading, you will learn new vocabulary, you will learn new knowledge. These are things which you are going to learn for your improvement in the language. It will be taken by the intensive reading, not by the extensive reading. In intensive reading, the material will be selected by the teacher, but in extensive reading, students choose their own material by themselves. And on the other hand, intensive reading is examination of text for maximum comprehension. You will try to comprehend all the text. But in the extensive reading, you are reading only to get the main idea and reading for the gist mean reading for the getting the overall view. These are the difference between the definitions of extensive reading and intensive reading. In extensive reading, the definition is that rapid reading of large quantities of material or longer reading for general understanding. So if you want to take general understanding or only read large amount of text by rapid reading, you will use extensive reading. On the other hand, intensive reading, reading in detail with specific learning aims and tasks. When you have specific aim of learning and task of learning, you will learn in the intensive way. What is the difference between the purpose of the both? The extensive reading, purpose of the extensive reading, it is a lifelong reading habit, enjoyment and journal reading skills. हमें बात लोगों की पढ़ने की आदत होती है, जो चीज़ हाथ में आ रही है वो पढ़ के साइड पे करते हैं. वो बेशक किसी डॉक्टर का नुस्खा हो, बेशक किसी मेडिकल के सिरप या टैबलेट के अंदर उसकी जो है इंट्रो हो, उसको डिटेल से पढ़ते हैं. कुछ लोग ऐसे जिनकी हैबिट नहीं होती, तो जिनकी हैबिट है वो असल में एक्सटेंसिव रीडिंग के आदी हो गए हैं. Intensive reading. In intensive reading, the purpose is that detailed meaning, developing reading has skills, vocabulary, and grammar knowledge. Place and time. Extensive reading place and time is out of the class, and intensive reading place and time in the course. Thank you for listening me for listening to this video. We will meet in the next lecture, inshallah.